Tipan nakairugiti Abel and Bawang Festival 2023. Iti pinili Ilocos Norte, ket na isiyangkat ti Economical and Thanksgiving Service, ken ti Grand Opening Parade, adaytoy iti nakipagpasetan, dagiti amin nga agububra, iti LGU pinili, babaen iti panangidadaulo, the Mayor Romel Labasan, dagiti agpanpanday linteg, babaen met iti panangidadaulo, ni Vice Mayor Maynard Mayo Bumanglag, dagiti barangay officials, dagiti mangisursuro, estudyante, iti biyang ti pulisya, BFP, pakairamanan, dagiti na dumaduma nga ahensya, ken dagiti adda iti private sectors. Na isiyangkat pay ti pan naka-open, ti Agro-Industrial Fair 2023. Aditoy iti pakaipakitaan, ken pakailakwan, dagiti na dumaduma ama ipagpanakkel a produkto, ti pinili. Nagbalin ana isang sangayan a bisita, Administrator Eddie Guillen, ngem iti kaawan na ket inbagyan ni Engineer Waynard Joseph Untalan, iti metlaeng nasa unga ahensya ti pan naka-open ti Agro-Industrial Fair.
I, Waynard Joseph P. Untalan of NIA Ilocos Norte Irrigation Management Office, is honored and grateful to stand here in front of you to deliver his wonderful message as we celebrate the Abel and Bawang Festival of the Municipality of Pinili. Let me first of all recognize our farmers, one of the great unsung heroes of our nation. Because of them, we have food on our tables. Because of them, we have the sustenance we need to pursue our endeavors for the betterment of our nation. To help the farmers get on their feet, we are giving them the technology that has made them produce more. And we have developed high-yielding seed varieties. Most importantly, we have institutionalized these elements to make sure that we do not lose what we have gained. That the farmers' progress is a continuing thing. In the agriculture sector, we are not resting on our laurels. We have seen continuous progress in the agricultural sector of our province and of our country.
Napalaos ti ragsak, dagiti umili ti pinili, tangamin ket dua atawen, nga awan unay, dagiti adu, a face-to-face activities and programs, gapupay laeng, ti pananglaban ti COVID-19 pandemic itay kalabes. Ti Abel and Bawang Festival 2023, ket adaan tema, arayg taken panagkaykaysa, ranyag ti masakbayan, manamnama. Para iti JCQ Online TV Channel, Joey Cordero Kiawit, nagipadamag.